the gearbox. The first step is taking the measurements from the midpoint of the workstation.
140 الوسط تاعها 70.
Okay, then we measure each distance from the midpoint to the part. From midpoint to A is
80 سم.
okay. To B
56.
okay. To C from midpoint
63.
okay. Then lastly to D.
88.
Okay, we took the measurements and then we will start by assembling. Bring part A, bring parts B1, B2, B3, B4 and assemble them to A as shown. Okay, then we bring part C and assemble it to B1, B2, B3, B4 and lastly we bring part D and assemble it to A and C as shown. Just a note, as you noticed in this part of the task we used one hand each time. In the next scenario we will use both hands doing the first two work elements simultaneously. Okay, now we will start the second part of micromotion experiment. In this part we will merge the first two work elements together. Okay, we will merge the first two work elements together and do them simultaneously. Okay, first we start by bringing part A. We start by bringing part A and parts B1 to 4 together and assemble them as shown here. Okay, note that we did the first two work elements simultaneously at the same time. After that, we can do each work element individually. So after that, we will bring part C and assemble it to parts B1 to 4. Finally, we will bring part D and assemble it to A and C as shown here.